An organized desk can enhance productivity and reduce stress. Start by decluttering. Keep only the essentials on your desk. Use drawer organizers to separate pens, papers, and office supplies. Opt for vertical storage with shelves or wall-mounted containers to maximize space efficiently. Sort through paperwork promptly. Create a to-do, to-file, and to-recycle system for better organization. Invest in a cable organizer to manage cords neatly. Utilize small trays or bins for loose items like paper clips and other small essentials. Label everything clearly for easy access and quick retrieval. Consider a desktop organizer for frequently used items to keep them within reach. Keep a trash bin nearby for quick disposal of unnecessary items. Create a daily routine to tidy up your desk at the end of each day, ensuring a clean and organized workspace. With these simple storage solutions and sorting techniques, your desk will become a clutter-free and inspiring place to work, promoting efficiency and a clear mind for your tasks.